Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ZTE Blade A36 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's begin with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now, as you can see, I've got the language applied, which I really don't know. So let's try to change it. All we have to do is tap on this 4 dots icon in the left upper corner here, and then go to languages. Here, let's tap on more. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find the language which you'd like to apply and tap on it. And let me pick English. Just tap on this plus icon next to it. And here we can choose the keyboard layout. So just pick the one which you like the most, which you prefer to use. Maybe not this one. You can also choose more than one keyboard layout. So not this one also. Okay, it can be this one. And tap on done. Now we can go to the top. And as you can see, we've got our new language added. And if you wish to remove the previous one, simply tap on it. And as you can see, it will be unticked. And it means that we've got only one language applied, the one we wanted. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.